In MS PowerPoint presentations, the designs regulate the layout and formatting for the slide. These are commonly known as A. Blueprints, B. Placeholders, C. Templates, D. Design plates. The right answer is C. Templates. The Handout master consists of placeholders for all of these except the options are title, slide number, header, footer. The right answer is title. The next question. Which of these PowerPoint features would allow any user to create a given simple presentation quicker? Options are animations, chart wizard, transitions wizard, auto content wizard. The right answer is option D, auto content wizard. The file that consists of ready-made styles that we can easily use for our presentation is known as A. Preformatting, B. Template, C. Wizard, D. Auto style. The right option is B. Template. What is the maximum zoom percentage in MS PowerPoint? Options are A. 400, B. 300, C. 200, D. 100. 400. A PowerPoint design template is stored in any file with extension. Options are given below. The right answer is option A. .pot. Which of these options in PowerPoint would allow us to carry any set of slides from a given computer to another one? Options are Web and Go, B. Pack and Go, C. Save and Go, D. Save as. The right option is option B. Pack and Go. In the current presentation, if we want to insert a new slide, we can choose which of these. Options are Ctrl plus F, B. Ctrl plus O, C. Ctrl plus M, D. Ctrl plus N. The right option is C. Ctrl plus M. Which toolbar provides various options in different master views? Options are Standard toolbar, Formatting toolbar, Drawing toolbar, Common task toolbar. The right option is D. Common task toolbar.